This is How to Drink, the show about making cocktails and how to drink them. I'm Greg, and I have never been a professional bartender. I've never even had a job in a bar. I don't worry too much about precision and technique, because at the end of the day, if the drink you like is in the glass, you did it right. Let's get going. Let's make a Paloma. At its base level, it's a combination of tequila and grapefruit soda. There's a little bit of disagreement with the Paloma, whether you should use fresh grapefruit or grapefruit soda, and if you're going to use grapefruit soda, if you should be using squirt or if you should be using Jarritos or something else. As far as the fresh grapefruit versus the soda thing, what I love about the Ivy Stark recipe is that it uses both. Split the difference, avoid the controversy, do both things. We're gonna need fresh grapefruit, fresh limes, we're gonna need some mint, we're gonna need some salt, we're gonna need a decent tequila. I'm using a Fortaleza that I've rebottled because the bottle broke, so it still has the cork. There's no glass in it, so we're good. We're gonna need a little salt to rim the glass with. We're gonna take one of our wedges here. We're just going to paint the outside of the glass with that and salt it up. Going to take 4 lime wedges, the 2 pieces of grapefruit, take some mint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. And we're gonna muddle that now. What does that mean? In this case, it means that we're gonna get some of this fruit juice, we're gonna get some of the oils from the mint. By doing it all together, the whole point is that this is not a rocket science drink. I'm gonna top that off with a little bit of crushed ice. To that, I will now add 2 ounces of my tequila. And 3 ounces of squirt. I'm gonna garnish that with a fresh mint sprig. And there it is, the Ivy Stark Paloma. You really get the taste of the mint and the squirt, and the grapefruit is very present. It's really lovely. It kind of is a garden in a glass. That's kind of the idea here, I think. I'm gonna top mine up a little bit. And it's fun. It's a fun drink. It's a pretty drink. It smells very fresh. So this drink might sneak up on you. I wouldn't like to say that you cannot taste the tequila or that it hides the alcohol, but it's a sneaky drink, and I can imagine that you would suddenly find yourself a little more inebriated than you intended to be if you were sitting back with these. The grapefruit is present, the lime is present. It is citric and acidic and minty and very fresh. It's not spirit forward. This is not a spirit forward cocktail. I hope I've done it justice. Mine might be a little bit of a mess, but that's the way I like it. So that's the show. That's How to Drink. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment. I try to get back to everybody. If you like the show, please subscribe. You can check out my Instagram at How to Drink. You can check out my Twitter at How to Drink. If you're interested in anything I use on the show, you can probably buy it at thisishowtodrink.com/gear. I'll see you guys next week with another drink on How to Drink. Thanks for watching. Cheers.